Hey everybody, happy Tuesday. And I'm not live, this is a recording, but up on Rockport, Mass on my vacation. Just got in Sunday afternoon right after the race. So last week I missed because of putting the Smurf together. The oil pan was a completely different setup. We went from a wet sump to a dry sump system and different intake manifold, so it required an extensive amount of work to get done in 3 days so that we could make it to the event. But we did. Drove up to Alabama on Wednesday, tested Wednesday night, motor only, make sure we had a good tune, and then Thursday and Friday we were making test hits, and we were on the struggle bus. We had issues with transmission leaks, a couple oil leaks, and just a lot of problems knocking the tires off and stuff. We had didn't realize the rear tires had as much laps on them as they had. That's something I wasn't keeping track of, and didn't realize we needed new ones. So we got new tires on Saturday, just in time for the small block shootout event. There was one car broke, so there was in the draw there was a buy, which we got the buy, and we made a pretty decent hit on the test hit. And then in round two we drew Venom, a little white S10, and unfortunately we knocked the tires off on that round. And even more unfortunately, Jason Wells and Venom ended up crossing the center line and crashing. Thank God he's okay. We always like to see drivers walk away from an accident. Cars can be repaired, replaced, people cannot. But that gave us the win. So we had the lucky horseshoe on that round. And then on the other side of the ladder, Baby Mama and Disrespectful had to run each other, and I believe Disrespectful kicked the rod out the side of the motor, and Baby Mama won. We heard that they had a fuel pump issue, but not confirmed. Anyway, so it was Baby Mama and Papa Smurf in the finals. So we went ahead and ran the finals, and Baby Mama red lighted, and we made a clean hit down the track. The best pass of the whole weekend. So congrats to the Slider Boys team. Big thank you to Kenny Hubbard, Hop Rod by Hubbard. He's the tuner on the car. He did an awesome job working with a lot of issues that we had with it, but making it, getting us to the winner's circle anyway. And all the other guys on the team. It was a very long 4 days in Alabama, very hot. Track was marginal at best. Of course, it doesn't matter because everybody has to get down the same track. But in the end, we won, and we're very grateful for that. We got the small block, small tire shootout belt, and I guess an undisclosed amount of money. Tax purposes, you know, same thing. So anyway, our buddy Lamont Summit, I didn't know if I said that right, but anyway, Forever Grudge, got a pretty good video on it. I'm going to see if I can get that to add to this little Tuesday night live, well, Tuesday night film. And of course next week we'll be back in Florida, and it'll be Tuesday night live just like normal. So I really apologize to everybody for not getting the information out that I should had last week, but it was a non-stop thrashathon to get the car even in the trailer by Tuesday afternoon, which I didn't. I didn't get the car in the trailer till Tuesday about 9 o'clock at night, so that's why I wasn't able to do a live show. And unfortunately, thrashing at the amount I did, I didn't even get any snippets to let anybody know what was going on, and I apologize about that. I really appreciate everybody that tries to log on Tuesday nights to watch this, and you know, try to do better next time. And I mean, the thrash, even at the track, was so great. I didn't even get any real good footage of the event. It was just non-stop thrashing, and you know, did what we could and made the best of it. And we had some luck on our side and ended up with a pretty good result. So all in all, it was a great time. And you know, that's pretty much where we're at. So can't wait to get back into Florida, see if Chris has got his car running yet. My buddy Rick, his birthday was yesterday, and hopefully he got some more work done on his 55 Chevy. And the rest of you guys are getting work on your projects, and you know, we'll resume our normal scheduled deal next week. So thank you for tuning in, and we'll see everybody next Tuesday night. Peace.
trouble is. Excuse me? I...
Y'all, final round, small block. Papa Smurf in the left lane over there. Baby mama in the right lane. Oh, snap. This the LDR.
You standing up.
Say, man, we gotta talk, dog.
Ain't gotta talk?
Yeah, we gotta talk.
I told you when we came to Texas, when Kenny told us to come to Texas, right?
Yeah.
I told y'all we were putting the Papa Smurf flag in Texas, right?
Yeah. God.
Got it?
What's in the bag? You gotta show us what's in the bag.
No, I can show you what's in the bag, you know, income tax purposes.
For sure.
But on the next thing, man, first of all, I want to start off with thanking Price's County Firm, Mr. Price, Walter Price, Jason Black, Kenny Hope, Mr. George, Black Kenny. I don't know where he went at. But man, without our team, man, we couldn't do it, man. Them guys came down. He had to do work. I had a funeral. Man, without the team, man, we couldn't do it, man. We just want to make small block racing great again.
For sure.
We appreciate it.
Oh,
But we just told them we were just gonna lift up our skirt. We were gonna look up under her skirt.
That's what you said.
But at the same time,
Yeah.
you know, she can do it. We can do it again. You know, I think
She know my number.
she can come down to Florida.
Yeah.
You know, that's a Price hometown for the hometown fans. He like to show out in front of the hometown. So tell her to come on down. Got Walter Price, Mr. Price, Joe Price.
Yeah.
Come on down to Orlando. We got some tickets to Disney World for you.
So when can we see it now? Can we get a date on it?
Everybody know Baldy Race.
Body race?
Everybody know Baldy
But we
Race.
still got July, August,
Hey man, I want to.
October.
Hey, listen. Them people in the coma over there, man. I want to make sure they get out of ER. I don't know how long they're gonna be in the coma.
For sure.
So we just want. I don't want it to be speeded up. We want to make sure they get enough time to come back for that asthma. Because every time they come, we hit them cause that asthma.
Oh shit. Okay, there it is.
That's for
y'all.
sure.
Big Papa Smurf team, there it is. Kenny, you want to get in here, Kenny? What you got to say, Kenny?
I just worked. Great job, guys.
That's it? That's all you got, Kenny? That's all you got?
I'm tired.
Tired.
Thank these guys for the opportunity to tune it out right on for me. You know that. So.
Yes, sir.
And yourself.
Who?
Yourself. And tell Funky Town it was not fucking rigged.
There it is. I'm going to call it.
She would ran all on her own.
Yeah.
Not me.
The straight heads up race.
Yeah, nothing against her. You know, she did.
Yeah.
Past earlier, she did a great job where Carl was wanting to die and stuff. She was really calm, got up there. Kind of proud of her, you know.
For sure.
I feel kind of like how Kylie is, you know what I'm saying? You know, young driver, young girl.
Yeah.
I kind of feel like
Yeah.
just emotional about it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's still like someone else's daughter, just like my own. And I just hard to root for whoever, but
For sure.
whatever. We got to win tonight, so we'll take it.
There it is. Good job, fellas.
Hey, I want to say something.
Talk to me.
I remember 2 years ago,
Uh-huh.
the infamous words was said, he'll never go everywhere you go. Bitch, he there every time I call him.